everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where we tidy up your messy grammar. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. I am busy today. I am multitasking.
Wow, Rahul, you look very professional. What are you doing?
Well, first, I am doing a cake for my mom, and second, I am making the cleaning because my room is dirty.
Rahul, you are working hard, but your English is taking a break.
What? Did I do a mistake?
Yes, you made a mistake. You don't do a cake and you don't make cleaning. You switch them.
Honestly, Emma, why does English have two words for action, make and do? They're twins.
They are twins, but they have different personalities. Today, we are going to learn the difference between make versus do.
Okay, I used to think they were the same, but at 5 p.m. today, I will know the difference.
Nice callback. Let's jump in. Here is the basic difference. Make is for creating or producing something new. Result. Do is for tasks, jobs, or general activities. Action.
Okay, make equals creating, do equals working.
Let's look at your cake. Are you creating something new?
Yes, I mix flour and sugar and poof, a cake appears.
So you are making a cake, just like making breakfast, making tea, making a sandwich.
Okay, but what about cleaning? Am I creating something new?
No, you're just scrubbing and sweeping. It's a task, an activity, so you are doing the cleaning.
Ah, making a mess, creating it, doing the cleaning, fixing it.
Exactly. Do the dishes, do the laundry, do your homework?
I make my homework?
No, homework is a task, so you do your homework.
Got it. Create equals make, task equals do.
Now, Rahul, this is where it gets tricky. English has many collocations. These are fixed pairs. You just have to memorize them.
Oh no, I hate memorizing.
Don't worry, there are patterns. Let's look at make. We usually use make for communication and decisions.
Communication, I make a phone call?
Correct. Make a joke, make a comment, make a speech.
And decisions, I make a choice, I make a plan?
Yes, and the most important one, make a mistake. You created the mistake. It didn't exist before.
Okay, so I did a mistake is wrong?
Very wrong. I made a mistake.
What about money?
We use make for money. Make money, make a profit, make a fortune.
I want to make a lot of money so I don't have to do the dishes.
Good sentence. We use do for general vague activities when we don't say the name, using words like something, nothing, anything, everything.
Do something. Do nothing. Do everything.
Yes, we never say make everything. We say I did everything.
Also, exercise?
Yes, you do exercise, you do yoga, you do karate.
I make yoga?
No, you aren't building a yoga, you're performing it, so you do yoga.
Okay. And what about helping people? Can you do me a favor?
Perfect. Do a favor, do good, do your best.
Okay, Emma, I'm ready. Throw the words at me. Make or do?
Okay. 1. Blank a decision.
Creating a choice, make a decision.
2. Blank the shopping.
It is a task, chore, do the shopping.
3. Blank a noise.
Creating sound, make a noise.
4. Blank business.
Working, do business.
5. Blank a promise.
Communication, make a promise.
6. Blank your hair.
Oh, tricky. I am creating a style or doing a task?
It is considered a task, grooming, so you do your hair. Also, do your nails.
Do my hair. Got it.
7. Blank friends.
I am creating a relationship. Make friends.
You are a champion.
Okay, let's put down the whisk in the broom.
Let's break it down. 1. The general rule. Make is create or produce. Cake, tea, table. Do is task or activity. Work, job, cleaning.
2. Make collocations. Communication, call, joke, decisions, plan, choice, money, profit, and mistakes.
3. Do collocations. Vague things, something, anything, body, exercise, yoga, hair, helping, favor, good.
4. The callback. I used to make mistakes, past habit, but now I'm used to doing it right, familiarity.
5. The preposition. I will make a cake on Sunday at 5 p.m. In, on, at.
Look at you combining 3 lessons in one. Listeners, we have a favor to ask. Can you do us a favor?
Yes, in the comments below, answer this question. What is the biggest mistake you ever made in English?
Did you say the wrong word? Did you make a funny noise?
I once told someone I'm boring when I meant I'm bored. I made everyone laugh.
That is a classic mistake. Tell us your story.
Please do the subscribe button. Wait, no. Please hit the subscribe button.
Yes, and make a comment. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Happy learning.